Genes and genomes. Genome is the complement of all genes in a cell. This is the living blueprint of an organism, and it tells the characteristics, activities, and survival of a cell in an organism. So in a genome, there's a gene. It is a segment of DNA that encodes a protein or an RNA molecule. The nucleoid is the mass visible in the electron microscope. It could be seen in the nucleus. So it contains chromosome, which aggregates within the prokaryotic cell. The plasmids, this is a DNA segment in a circular figure. It is self-replicating DNA and can be distributed faster through conjugation. It contains genes that are not essential and confers some specialty property on the cell. It could be unique metabolism and antibiotic resistance. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.